Look guys, the peacocks are everywhere. Also the poops are everywhere. See, look at the poops. You can see also the different types of poops. So guys, if you want to relax and watch the animals, kung gusto mo mamasyal at pansinin pansinin ang mga hayop, so pasya lang kayo dito sa Alcor Park. Ang ganda dito, very relaxing, saka nag-enjoy dito ang mga kids like me.
Ano ka nasisira,
So
ulo?
come on guys, silipin pa natin yung mga animal na nandito sa Alcor Park.
Later. Ano swerte? Huwag yung maniwala sa swerte.
Don't feed the birds. So now let's go inside the bird aviaries. Hello. Let's come and see the beautiful birds, different types of birds that can fly.
Oh my God!
See? I forgot the name of this bird.
Gago!
Ang ganda ng mga ano dito, yung mga nandito sa loob. Ayan, first time ko sila nakikita. Harap-harapan, no? Yan, pero nakalimutan ko kung anong pangalan ng ibon na to.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I'm here sa my bird aviary. See? This bird is called flamingo. Yan guys, oh. First time ko rin silang makita in front. Napakaganda pala ng flamingo guys. Yung legs nila is kulay pink. Saka yung feather nila may halong pink din. Ang ganda. Nakikita ko lang ito sa ano eh, somewhere sa video, sa mga movies. Ang ganda pala nila. So amazing guys, very amazing. Hello. Hello flamingo. Hi. What's there? So, continue guys. There are a lots of fun here where the kids can enjoy. Maraming mga palaruan dito para sa mga kids. Look, yan ang mga kids, so nag-enjoy sila while it's raining. So, come and bring your kids here. Yan. Once in a while. Look at the kids. They're very, very happy. They're playing. They enjoy kids' life. So, like kids, guys, I am here also to enjoy, you know, while we still have time. Let us visit some places, enjoy. So, guys, bring your kids here. It's just 10 reals. So, 10 reals, marami na silang mapuntahan, mga laro. So guys, let us continue roaming around here inside the Alcor Park. It was so beautiful, very, very beautiful. It was my second time to come back here, and you know, there are a lot of changes. It's nice to see, it's nice to be back again in nature. No, it's very relaxing, it's very fun, and at the same time you enjoy, you indulge with the animals. So let's go and see what else this park can offer.
1 hour later.
So continue while walking around inside the bird aviary. There you can find the different types of birds species. Yan, where you can find only here in Alcor Park. This bird, I don't know what's the name of this bird, but she's so very lovely, very exotic. Yan guys, Ito naman yung mga geese. Ayan, meron din tayo niyan sa Pilipinas. So there's no special about them. So guys, this place is very cool. It's very nice to come here and enjoy bird watching. See? You will encounter different types of birds now that you can see only here with your own eyes. So, this is my favorite part, the peacock. I love the peacock, the sound of the peacock, and the birds of different colors.
What?
It's very, very beautiful.
Bro, what are you
See?
talking about, man?
Take a look, guys. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. So, yan. Ang ganda. The best experience. Makita mo sila personally. Wow! Guys, see, take a look. The best. There's one more peacock also, guys. Talagang na-in-love talaga ako sa ano nila. Sa kulay. Kakaiba sila sa lahat ng mga birds. Di ba? Kasi nga very colorful sila. Yan, oh. Ganda. See? She's walking around me. Yan, guys. Yan. Ang haba ng ano niya, guys, ng feeder niya. Yan, oh. Ang galing. Hey, peacock, wait for me. Ang bilis niya rin palang ano, guys, maglakad. Yan. Look, guys, the peacocks are everywhere. Also, the poops are everywhere. See, look at the poops. You can see also the different types of poops. See the poops. See, there's also peacock. Peacocks are everywhere. In the roof. See? She's on the roof. She's above the roof. And down the ground. Hey, peacock. Why are you so beautiful? Why you have so very nice feather?
2 hours later.
While walking, while you are enjoying with nature, you can feel the inner peace that is within you. You know? You can relax, forget all the stress and problems
Paano masabi?
in your life. So guys, I'm so happy to come here even though it's raining. I love the place. I love nature. This is all I want. You come and enjoy, see the beautiful things around you.
I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We try to upload 2 videos a day. And please help and support my channel.